Tornado Watch number 104, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Blackford, Delaware, Grant, Henry, Jay, Madison, and Randolph. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
First
Stay
alarm
tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.